Hello, welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson. I'm here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut, waiting for a class to start. And so I thought I'd share with you today's Tàijíquán Tip, and that is to explore creatively, that's the yang aspect, explore creatively a piece of gym equipment for the purposes of better understanding your Tàijíquán practice. Maybe that's a more broad understanding, a more granular understanding, a more deep understanding, or perhaps just wholly new. And so I didn't bring my headphones, so I'm guessing that the audio is not great, plus there's music in the next room. It's a gym. So I'll try and raise my voice a little bit, I guess. But obviously don't misuse or abuse the gym equipment. That's not a good idea, whoever happens to own it. Please stay tuned to the end of the video where I make my plea for your support, whether that's subscriptions or comments or financial or sharing or liking or all that kind of stuff. So what I was practicing here a few minutes ago is using this stationary bicycle and practicing when I do a single leg lift in the form, feeling how when my leg lifts behind me and when my leg lifts in front of me, how there might be a tendency in my foundation foot for my weight to shift, or for my foundation foot to work and relax. Very subtle, but it gives me this opportunity to feel what is it like when my foot is in front of my foundation foot, what is it like when it's back? Is there a change in the small of my back? Is there a change in my posture? And for me, I was working on, is there a change in the foot? So let me know what you discover about that and how you've used your gym tools fairly and newly functionally. So thank you very much, and keep at it, even if your name is not named Jim. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you, thank you, thank you.